game. It's a rich thing.
All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this package, y'all. I love this little layer of protection they have. Like, that is so fine. That just lets me know they really care about my package and making sure that it gets here, period. And this is the box. Very cutie. I love pink. I love the little gold touch. Look at the branding. Quality. The quality, yes. We got some lashes. That's all that comes in the box. HD wig caps and lashes. Okay, period. It's 24 inches. And it comes with a band to put in the back of the wig to tighten it to your head. And this is what the lace is looking like. Okay, this is a 9x6, so this is 9 inches wide, which it is pretty wide. Yeah, that does give 9 inches, and then it's 6 inches deep. So I love that. I love the lace space. I love a big lace where I have enough space to do a side part or a middle part, or, you know, do a little bun, turn my wig to the side. I do love that. And on the side it has these little ear grooves right here, so that when you put it on, you can tuck it behind your ear and it's not like pushing your ear or making your ear go out like that. A lot of times I wear wigs and the cap is just like all the way around and it doesn't accommodate the ear, so it'll like push up against my ears like this, or it'll just sit awkwardly on my ear, or have my ear like this. So this is very, very thoughtful, and this is actually the, like, I don't get a lot of wigs like this, like where it's this dramatic. This is the first time I got it where it's this dramatic, where it can fit around your ear comfortably. So points for that. This is the quality of the hair, what it's looking like. Very silky, very soft, very nice. Okay, so let's get into it. And this is only 24 inches, y'all, but it looks so much longer to me, and like the quality is just so good. Okay, so let's get into this wig install now, y'all. So right here I am just taking my wax stick and my hot comb and getting this wig super flat at the top. This wig did come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut, so I didn't have to do any of that. So I'm just jumping straight in to flattening this wig on the top, and I continue to do that in sections until I'm done with the entire lace. Alright, so once I'm done hot combing the entire lace, the part on this wig was a little bit narrow, like a little bit too narrow that it looked unnatural. So I'm kind of just plucking out and defining my middle part here, literally just plucking out those hairs. And right here I'm taking my eyebrow razor and I'm giving this lace some shape. You don't have to do this part because the lace is already cut and everything, but personally lately I've been loving for my lace to have a little bit of shape. If the lace doesn't already have like a wiggle or like a shape to it, sometimes the laces are kind of just like straight across and kind of like boxy looking. So I do this and I kind of give it a widow's peak, and I just feel like that makes it look so much more natural. So yeah, I'm just doing that using my eyebrow razor. And then I'm taking my makeup and putting that on the lace, because once you cut the lace it does kind of turn white again. So I'm putting some more makeup on it, and yeah. So now I'm pinning up my hair, and do y'all see how good that part looks and how good, like how flat that is? Like, look at that. So far, like it's just giving, it's literally giving, it's going up my scalp. So I'm literally just going in sections, putting bio silk on my hair and straightening out this hair of mine. Babeless flat iron, getting it super duper sleek and straight, because that's how I like my hair, period. So once I'm done pressing out the full head, I'm going in with my Even Wonder Lace Bond to lay down this wig. This could be a glueless wig if you put your band in and put it tight enough, but personally, I did want my wig to be glued down today. So I took my Even Wonder Lace Bond and put it where I wanted it to lay, and I just pressed it in lightly with my comb. And then I like my ends to be blunt, so I am just trimming off a little bit of hair, not a lot, just a little bit, so that my ends are more blunt even. That's just how I like my ends. You don't have to trim yours. It's all up to personal preference, but that is what I'm doing here. And then I'm bumping my ends a little bit, because I just feel like when you bump it like just a little bit, I don't know, it just looks so good and natural to me. So yeah, and then I'll continue to press in my lace and kind of just mold my hairline. And after this, I'm putting on my band for a good little minute and letting it sit so it can melt into my skin. And I did go in with some concealer on my part, because like I told y'all, that part was kind of narrow looking and it really wasn't looking very natural. So I had to pluck it a little bit, and then me adding the makeup did help it to look more natural in my opinion. And boom, this is the final looks of the hair, y'all. I wanted a very natural look. As y'all can see, I didn't do no baby hairs, and I made my hairline look very natural. I gave it a widow's peak. And yeah, I feel like this looks so natural, y'all. I feel like it looks so cute. I don't really do looks like this without baby hairs often, but I feel like this just looks so freaking natural and cute. And like this look right here for the fall, the middle part busts down sleek, and this hair like looks really dark. This hair looks jet black, but it's not. It's just natural brown, but it does look jet black. Like I actually might dye this wig like jet black and press it out like this and put it on again, because this right here is a look. Like when I was filming this video, I was thinking like, you know, this is not really hitting for real, but you know, I'm just gonna leave it how it is. But looking back at it, like this is T, the middle part sleek, bust down, jet black. Like you cannot go wrong with that, and that just gives baddie every time. Yeah, y'all, this wig is a 9x6. You could turn it to a side part. This wig is from ISEE Hair on Amazon, so this is an Amazon wig, literally overnight shipping, y'all. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, all that. So definitely click the link down below and shop my Amazon storefront to get this unit from ISEE Hair. And I love y'all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye.